Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make inserts with designs on them. I feel like when you open this card up, it's kind of a nice surprise to find all this fun stuff on the left-hand side. So that's what I'm going to show you today. All right, so let's go to Cricut Design Space. This is my completed project, but I do have a base insert in which I will show you how to set up your project, and then you can take it from there. This is our base insert, and the dimensions are 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to click on Images. In your search bar, you're going to type in Draw. Click on Filter. Select Background and Textures. And then we're going to scroll down, and I'm going to use the butterflies and flowers image. So we're going to click on Insert Images, and we're going to unlock that image, and we'll go up to our proportions and type in 4 inches by 5.25 inches. And we can lock that back up, and then we'll just match that up with our base. Then we can select both of those images and attach them. So that's how you make your insert with a design in it. So now I'm going to go to the ones that are ready, and then we'll go to the machine. So this is what the project looks like, and everything's ready to go. Select medium cardstock. Going to load my mat. And then I'm going to press go. Okay, I'm going to unload the mat, and you can see how that looks. All right, so now we have got our inserts. Just gonna pull those off the mat. That one didn't cut all the way. Okay, so this is probably the one that I thought wouldn't turn out. You can see the design through the white cardstock, but I didn't know if it was going to show. So I'm just going to put it in. Yeah, it's okay. If I had done this one a different color, it probably would have been better. but I'm still going to show you what it looks like with each of the inserts. That's what that one looks like. I probably would not recommend the blue one. Maybe if it were a light blue. And then this is the same design. We will pop that in and see what that looks like too. That's super cute. I love that. And then the last one, oh wait, so we've got two. I already put a magenta one in there, so I won't put that one in. But this is what the green one looks like. So that's just another way to design your cards. So I hope you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.